Hey, welcome back. I am Len with Adamson Roofing Company, and I want to talk to you about something that is near and dear to my heart. Money. No, I'm just kidding. Now could not be a better time for you to get a new roof. Why, you might ask? Interest rates are low. We've got all the best financing here at Adamson Roofing Company. You can get a roof as low as $65 a month. Yes, $65 a month. I said it. And it's true. So really, why go into this thing with your hands tied, figuring, oh my God, I got to wait for my taxes to get a new roof? No, give us a call. We'll send out one of our specialists, 678-424-1919, or check us out at adamsonroofingcompany.com. Call the office. You'll get Celeste. She's our office manager. She will set up a time for one of our roofing specialists to come out, go over our roofing program with you, explain all of your options to you, and then you're done. It's that simple. We schedule the crew to come out. We take off your old roof. We put on your new roof. Problem solved. No more leaky roof. Well, thanks for watching. We really appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.